radio.
351.
351, copy. 333, for arrival.
Control 1, Frank 1, I've deployed low lethal.
The music you hear is from his vehicle, like I described.
Don't burn me! I'll show you out! Don't burn me!
See him in the upstairs window.
Don't burn me!
Put the shovel down! Pick the pickaxe and the axe down! Pick it down! I will shoot you in the beanbag, it'll hurt! Get down! Get down now! Get down! Metro Police!
This is the perspective of the officer that fired the lethal rounds.
Control 1, Frank 3. The subject is in an upstairs window, screaming at us. He's breaking things inside of his house. Break. He's very irate. We are waiting for more units. That's from give us a red. He's coming outside with a shovel right now. Sir, put the shovel down! Sir, put the shovel down!
Throwing the first handheld. He's being engaged with lethal rounds at that point. Lethal officer.
Put the shovel down! Pick the pickaxe and the axe down! Pick it down! I will shoot you in the beanbag, it'll hurt! Get down! Get down now! Get down! Sir, put the shovel down! Sir, put the shovel down!